Hi everyone, today I am at your service with a secret strategy and a bomb. I expect you will get a lot of profits by watching the video and teaching this strategy. Learn and practice this strategy. I am sure you will improve a lot. This strategy has been tested and proven by many back tests. Well, let's not waste time, let's go to the strategy. This strategy is for low time frames, and the advantage is that a large number of positions can be taken during the day. In this strategy we need three indicators: SDC, EMA, trend trading strategy. Add to the chart from the indicators section. In the STC indicator, the shorts position is considered in the roofs and the red color, and in the floors and the green color of long position. The EMA indicator is used to identify the trend, whether it is an uptrend or a downtrend. From the settings section, set the EMA indicator to 200. The price is above the EMA, it is an uptrend, and whenever it is below the EMA, it is a downtrend. The trend trading strategy indicator is also for better understanding of the trend. The strategy is that we first determine the trend by EMA. If the price is above EMA, it is an upward trend, and if it is below it, it is a downward trend. Then, for confirmation and better understanding of the trend, we take help from the trend trading strategy. When the price closes below this indicator, the trend is downward, and when it closes above this indicator, it is an upward trend. I also explained the STC indicator at the beginning of the video. For example, if the price is below the EMA and also closes below the trend trading strategy indicator, and at the same time the STC indicator is at the ceiling and its color is red, we take a short position. If the price is above the EMA and also closes above the trend trading strategy, and at the same time STC is at the bottom and its color is green, we take a long position. This strategy usually has an average risk to reward of 1.5. In the following, for your better learning, I will open trades according to the procedure of the videos, so that you have a better familiarity with this strategy and learn well. I hope you liked this strategy and fell in love with it. Stay tuned for the next bombshell video. Until the next video, bye.